get high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you get me high.
What I'll be showing much more in this video will be taking a walk on the beach in Tulum. You can actually go down there, enjoy the restaurants with the beach front right in front of you. Take a walk around, walk on your socializing skills, talk to people. People are friendly, I guess, because they're on vacation. You see people from all over the world. If you speak Spanish, it's way better because you're gonna meet natives and all that. Enjoy the video.
Looking nice. Say out to the camera. Thank you. There you go.
If you want to enjoy the beautiful sunset, the sunrise, there is time for everything. Go to the restaurant or actually even enjoy a nice date with a nice drink. Just set it up with one of the restaurants. Just Google the archaeological zone in Tulum. Drive down there, like if you have a car or you rented a car. It's about 1 hour drive from Playa del Carmen and about 1 hour 50 minutes drive from Cancun Airport. It could be shorter than that depending on how busy the road is or how fast you drive. So it's a really beautiful place. I recommend it, guys. Take a walk on the beach, on the sand, and enjoy it. This is actually a restaurant we went to called Playa Paraíso. It's really, 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 really nice and beautiful. Like I said it before and I'm saying it again. If you're a solo traveler, you don't have to worry about nothing, literally. Just take the precautions, like the normal safety precautions people would take. Believe me, most of the people out here, they're here to have fun, enjoy themselves. So feel free, work on your socializing skills, talk to people. You might find the best party going on in the nighttime and EDMs, hip-hop party and all that. Right on the beach, in the jungle. It's a vibe. Really, really good, really, really interesting. And in some of those places right there, they offer you hotels. So if you don't want to stay in Cancun or Playa del Carmen, you can reserve one of those places. Some of them actually have nice hotels. They have restaurants, and some of the hotels actually happen to have a bar. People from the outside can come in and chill over there. So you might actually still have the party coming to you yourself, so you don't run the risk of driving around drunk or anything like that. So look around, make sure you do your search in Google, make sure it's in the zone you want it to be, and just go enjoy yourself. And this part of Mexico, like every other places, you're gonna see a lot of vendors. And if you happen to go to some part of Tulum, you're gonna see a lot of people like shaman. They trying to sell you spiritual cleansing. A lot of people actually even come here for retreats and all that. So don't be surprised. I'm not saying it works, but if you feel like it, you can give it a try. I did it once when I was in an electronic festival. I gave the guy 20 Canadian dollars and that was pretty much it. So if you just want to try something new out, something you've not done before, sometimes it's just about the fun of it, the experience of leaving it. And again, it depends on what you do for fun, how you enjoy your travel trip. Right on this beach too, you're gonna see a lot of people trying to sell you snorkeling. So if you want to go snorkeling and all that and you don't have your gear, some of them will actually rent you the snorkeling gear. They charge you like between $50 and it lasts for about an hour or so. You can actually always do that too, just in case you didn't really have like a travel plan beforehand. You're gonna see people offering you weed, all type of stuff. Believe me, this is Tulum, Mexico, so you will find a lot of like nice, interesting things. And that's about it for this video, guys. If you've been to Tulum and you know any nice spot, nice activities anybody could do there, please drop it in the comment below. Like, I've been here a couple of times. You can only do so much with a limited amount of time on your vacation, so feel free to always explore yourself. The world is a big place to explore, so if you know anywhere or you went to any nice party or any activity that can be done, drop it in the comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. One love.